Here we will work with the vice screw, the collar, and the special key. In the browser, we can select the vice screw and we do a right mouse button click and go to Move Copy. This will provide us with the visual that we need in order to rotate this part if we need to. So with the vice screw, we will rotate this around 180 degrees. So in the Y angle, we can type in a negative 180. For the special key in the browser, we will do a right mouse button click and go to Move Copy. And we will rotate this along the Y angle at 90 degrees. And if we look in the browser for the collar, we will do a right mouse button click and go to Move Copy. And we will rotate this around 180 degrees and select OK in the Move Copy dialog box. You will go to the Assemble and Joint. For the first component, we will select between two faces. And we will select this surface of the special key and go to the view cube to rotate to the other side and click on the other surface. And then we will select the curve in the slide key until that center point comes up, and we will select that curve. We will make the relationship between that and the vice screw. So in the components 2, we will select between two faces. We will select this surface, click on the corner of the view cube, then select this surface of the vice screw and select this cylinder of the vice screw. For the motion, we want this type to be REVOLUTE because we want that to be able to revolve around we want the special key to be able to revolve around the vice screw. And you will select OK in the joint dialog box.